Hello friends, today I'm going to share one requirement what we got in our company. So as we are doing some cost optimization, we have, our management asked us to move some databases to manage instance. So the requirement is like moving the databases from Azure SQL database to manage instance. In that we observe one database that we are having column level encryption. So if I try to if I go to task and export here, and if you click here and I'm saving this file some like test database, click save and proceed next. So if I proceed finish, so automatically we will get I will get an some error here saying that symmetric keys certificates are not supported by backpack. But in this way, let's see that error. Oh, the reason why I have decrypted that one. So no problem. Let's report. Before coming to this, I have cleared the all symmetric keys. Let's reproduce the same error. Now I am dropping the table. Just drop table, and this is done. So I'm creating one new table. So now I'm inserting the data. So if you see here, I'm having three columns, and one is like I want to encrypt the account number. Okay, so this is the requirement. Now I'm creating one master key encryption by that one. So it is already, master key is already enabled in this key, and I'm trying to create one certificate. So now I'm creating one symmetric key and encrypted by MySQL certificate. That is done. Now I'm opening the symmetric key so that I can do whatever. Now what I'm doing, I'm updating the encrypted key and everything using certificate. Okay, in the account number, I'm updating that same one. Okay, set encrypted by and now if I see here. So now what I'm doing now, I'm updating the encrypted test here using this number. I'm putting this one and I'm encrypted here. Okay. So now if I come down, update user data set encrypted and encrypted key. See, this is the column and the UID, and from where you are getting this number, account number. So I am doing this one. Yeah, it has been done. Now if you see here, now the data has been encrypted. Now if you want, you can drop this column. Okay, so now if I that is been now still my account, my key was open. Now if I see here, all the data has been encrypted here. Okay, now if you want to see this encrypted data as well, since the key is open, now this is the key function that I need to use. Okay, if I see here, see, I'm able to see encrypted data as well. Encrypted data with decrypted values as well. Okay, this is the virtual column. Okay, and okay, so as a decrypted, okay, as decrypted value. ठीक है. Now Walter table. Now decrypted number. I'm adding one column so that it will appear. Now open symmetric key. Now up to here is fine, right? Now we I mean up to 5. So up to then it is fine. Now let's see the same error is able to extract the done. Now text 01. So next make finish. See the error, we got it. See, this is the error. The element is not supported in Azure, Microsoft Azure SQL database version 12. So this error we need to now how we need to proceed further. So now we came to know like once we open the symmetric key here, and we need to alter one we need to add the column here and execute this one. It's already been there. Okay, now once we need to open and we need to use this updated key values and everything. Now it is been done. Okay, I mean like what are the certificates and everything, this is been we have like updated. So if you see here, now select star from user database. Now what are the encrypted this value I'm able to get. Now you can drop this column, encrypted test column. Now if I go here, alter table drop column encrypted test. Okay, so now we are able to we are able to drop this column, and now if I go see here, I'm able to view the data here. Okay, now okay, now we are good to the still like if you try to export also, it will get fail. The only reason like it will not get is like one thing, if I create generate scripts, go to generate scripts. Now go to specific table users text. Sorry. Now go to users data. Now go to next. Save script file advance. Now come to data schema only, and if you want to script indexes, script full text if any. Make sure that whatever you would like to have here. So click OK and proceed to next, finish. So we are able to view the data here. So now uh, go to here, go to documents. Now so I think this one, if I'm not wrong, this is previous one. So where did I keep that one? uh, Test that one. Let me generate once more time, generate scripts. So user data and finish, save file. Okay, scripts.sql I think. Okay, now go to the document and now go to the script.sql C937. This is the right file, and go to the file, open notebook. Now see, now I'm able to view the data. If you try to generate the scripts, the encrypted values comes into this. If you try to export this single table, encrypted values will come, but at that time it will be no use. So like that we can move the databases, everything. Okay, we can execute this code and everything. Otherwise you can take the full backpack and execute that all the notebooks, once this is done. Okay, now we are good to do. Now we can close the symmetric key here, and you can drop symmetric key. Okay, and you can drop certificate. Now we are good to export all the backpack. Now go to task, go to extract our data application. Now save. Now test 01. Now 01. Now I will copy this path. Next, finish. Now everything got success. Now we are good to import here. Now right click on that. So import. Now go to here, test 01 B1 and next to import. So this has been successful. So now we inform the user saying that it has been done, and the user has provided all the like encryptions and first we have tested that the application is able, the user is able to connect to the managed instance or not, and I mean connectivity is fine. After that, we, as user requested, we change the column name to default uh, account number, and we again encrypt, use the same form, same scripts, and like how in main how we used to do encrypt symmetric case and everything. So we have encrypted and we have given to user as well. So that's how we moved we moved from manage Azure SQL database to managed instance. So this is the one of the scenario what we face generally. Most of the people will face this kind of scenario from on-prem to Azure SQL database, from on-prem to managed instance. But we are going like in reverse direction from from Azure SQL database to managed instance. I'm going to give this script in the comment box, so you can, and I'm going to pin that. You can get it from there for your practice purpose. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.